it starts to climb. The air ignites, it feels sublime. A sound that reaches far, divine. Each motion forms, it finds the way. It shapes the world, it starts to sway. The ground responds without delay. A melody we must obey.
The layers shift, they intertwine. A moving force, a crafted line. Each tone aligns, it feels aligned. A sound that builds a grand design. The air is filled with every tone. A rising beat, a steady zone. It carries all, it lifts the stone. A sound that we can call our own. A steady current takes the lead. It plants the sound, it sets the seed. A melody that fills the need. A living force we all must heed. Each beat connects, it fills the space. It moves the world, it leaves a trace. A guiding form, a lasting base. A sound that none can replace.
Feel the flow as it begins. A sound that forms and always wins.
Beating waves align the ground. A living force in every sound. Each tone connects, it will astound. A melody where all are found.
The sound takes hold and draws the line. It builds a path we all define.
The tones combine, they show the way. A steady sound that will not stray. It carries hope into the day. A melody that leads the play. Each note ascends, it lifts the air. A sound that rises everywhere. It binds the world in what we share. A timeless call beyond compare.
Let the beat guide the way. It holds the ground, it will not sway.
The melody fades into the stream. A sound that holds a vivid gleam.